Yeah guys, welcome back to our next video. Today guys, I'm gonna make a bad pudding. Yeah guys, a bad pudding. Believe that with me, I'm gonna use the Irish carrot and the pumpkin. Guys, that one I go bad. Remember me tell you guys, watch that video and watch what I go on. What I go do, I go peel up me pumpkin and my Irish and put them to go and boil it up with my carrot. Yeah, guys, watch the video and watch what I go on. Yeah guys, as you can see over here, so my carrot, my pumpkin, and my Irish. So what I go do, I go peel up piece of pumpkin, peel up two of the carrot and Irish. Guys, that one here I go bad. Remember me to the guys, just watch the video and watch what I go on in the kitchen today. Soon come back. Yeah guys, so I go cut up my carrot and my pumpkin. I already cut up my Irish. You understand how I did, so I go cut up the carrot and my pumpkin now guys. Guys, I'll be a badness in the kitchen. What I'm gonna do, light up my stove and make the water go on hot. And I go scald them before I blend them. Guys, just watch your badness in the kitchen. Be a badness today. Bad food guys, believe that. Guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna light up the stove and make my water go on hot. As I done cut up my carrot and my pumpkin, just pour them in the pot one time. You understand what I did? Soon come back. Yeah guys, so put on the pot and light him up. Make my water go on hot. You understand what I did? So in the meantime, I will just finish cut up my carrot and my pumpkin. I don't cut up my Irish, I just the carrot and the pumpkin. Guys, watch that video, you'll be a badness in the kitchen. Soon come back guys. Yeah guys, my carrot, my Irish and my pumpkin, I will put in for boil. Not to boil, make them go and scald off. You understand how these guys, I'll be a badness in the kitchen, just watch the video. And guys, like up the video guys, like up the video. You understand how I did? Yeah, like up the video guys. Yeah guys, so over here, so the carrot, the pumpkin, and the Irish are boiled. The overs, guys, be a badness. Be a badness, guys. Watch that video, yeah. Soon come back. Yeah, guys, as you can see over here, so see my pumpkin, the carrot, and the Irish, them boil. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna lock off my pot, guys. I'm gonna pick them out. Take out carrot, pumpkin, and the Irish out of the water. Guys, watch that video. Watch what I'm going. Guys, I'll be a badness in Nicola's kitchen. Bad food, bad punch, bad pudding, bad everything, guys. Everything. Guys, you see that pudding here? That pudding here go bad. Believe that when I watch what I go on, guys. Yeah guys, so we finished take out my pumpkin, carrot and my Irish out I pot. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna blend up and I'm gonna sew I go on the same water we use boil the carrot and the Irish, I'm gonna use it back. So guys, watch how I go. Yeah guys, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put in my pumpkin and my Irish and my carrot to blend. Guys, that one I go bad. Remember me tell you, believe that. That one I go bad. Yeah guys, before me start doing the blending, I'm gonna show you something over here. So. Yeah guys, so over here so now we have some flour in the pot. You understand? Sprinkle some flour. So what I'm gonna do now, in the flour, I'm gonna put some spice. I'll put some spice guys. So first thing, some ground cinnamon in my flour. I will put some mixed spice. And I will put nutmeg. So guys, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna mix them up. I'm gonna sprinkle a little salt. Yeah guys, a little bit of salt. Not too much salt. You understand what I mean? Yeah, that's good. Guys, catch your badness. Yeah. Be a badness, guys. Be a badness. Be a badness. So yeah guys, let me show you what I'm going over here so now in the blender. So yeah guys, over here so now in the blender, I'm gonna put a Guinness. Before I put the Guinness, I'm gonna put some nutmeg. I'm gonna use all of the nutmeg, yeah. I'm gonna put some mixed spice. I'm gonna use all because finish already. And I'm gonna use the last of my ground cinnamon. So guys, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna blend. You understand how I do it? I'm gonna blend and I'm gonna so I can watch. I'm gonna pour my Guinness. Pour my Guinness, guys. Guys, my vanilla. Almond essence. Guys, we have some almond milk. So I'm going. This is not the milk, guys. This is not come like, yeah, almond, some chocolate, Mm-hmm. Almond chocolate milk, guys. So guys, I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna blend up. Make me see what I want. Guys, that one not bad. So guys, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna pour this in the pot over here. So guys, what try going? Yeah guys, so over here, so now I'm gonna put some sugar in my flour. Not gonna put any more sugar. Guys, believe me, that one now go butter. You see the chocolate, the almond chocolate, that thing here, me not lie if you tell you. It's a chocolate drink. You understand me, Adid? It's not it don't sweet, it come like a milk. You understand me, Adid? Guys, more you try this. Yo, I use to the mixture with the guineas. I use blend up the pumpkin, the carrot and the Irish. Guys, me not lie. It tastes good. You understand me, Adid? So I'm going to use it in my pudding. I'm showing you what I want, guys. Guys, I'll be about this in the kitchen. I can tell you I'll be about this. Yeah, guys, be about this in the kitchen. Be about this. So I'm going to do now, guys. I'm going to pour my carrot and my Irish and my blend up in the pot with the flour. Be about this, guys. Be about this in the kitchen. Be about this in the kitchen, guys. Guys, when I back. So guys, what am I going to do now? pour, I go put some yeast. And I go put a little bit of baking powder. Said speed. The overs. Yeah guys, so what I'm gonna do over here so now guys, I'm gonna blend up some raisin. Yeah guys, and I want to know you watch the things that I use and blend up, like my Guinness and me, you understand me I did. So I use, yeah, and my Guinness, I don't use no water, no coconut juice, nothing. So what I'm gonna do now guys, I'm gonna blend up some raisin and I'm gonna sew one in the kitchen. Soon come back. Go use the rest of Guinness. And a little bit more, not too much. We just had chop him up, you understand what I did? Yeah. Guys, me not chop up enough finer. Guys, be a badness in IT. Be a badness. Yeah guys, so pour me raisin. Guys, that put me go bad. Remember me tell you. I don't want it too sweet. So guys, I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna light up my stove. If you go on hot, I'm gonna grease up my tin them. You understand what I did? I soon come back yo. Believe that be a badness. Yeah guys, so I grease up my tin them. You understand what I did? Yeah, so I go line up the thing and now put them in the oven. Be a badness guys. Yeah guys, so what going over here so? Guys, I will throw them in the oven now. That one. The next one guys, be a badness in the kitchen.